Alura versus Marmalead versus Everbee. Which SEO tool is best in Etsy? In this video, I'll compare Alura, Marmalead, and Everbee to help you choose the best SE or Etsy SEO tool.
So to get started, all three tools aim to improve your Etsy listings through keyword research, competition tracking, and product performance, but each has strengths and weaknesses. Allura is best for listing optimization. It offers real-time feedback, tag suggestions, and scoring. It's great for beginners who want a step-by-step listing assistant. Marmalade goes deeper into search trends and engagement. It analyzes actual Etsy shopper behavior to suggest keywords. If you care about long term strategy and evergreen keywords, this is your pick. Everbee focuses on product research. It shows how top performing listings are doing in terms of revenue, monthly sales, and views. If you're testing what to sell, Everbee gives real market data. For all in one optimization, Allura is the easiest. For a hardcore keyword research, go to Marmalade. And for product research before launching, Everbee is ideal. It all comes down to your goals optimizing existing listings versus finding new winning products. And that's which Etsy SEO tool is best between Allura, Marmalade, and Everbee?